Hi guys, welcome one day more to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about an app that I really love. It's PicsArt. I use this app on my computer, for example, like this, but I prefer to show you how I use it on my phone. I really love this app to create different photos for my Instagram, and I think it's a good idea to use it to rank on Instagram on the Explore page, to appear there and be instafamous. I'm going to show you some of the users and the pics that they are creating. I think you can do these really amazing effects in an hours, just practice a little bit, and it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you some effects that I do with it, but some people are really artistic. Okay, this is the logo of the art. You can download it on the Apple Store. I'm going to show you some examples of my work. I created some days ago this photo for Instagram, and it's very nice. It's a neon triangle. You can do it with this app, and it's very artistic, and I think I'm gonna love it. I'm going to show you then how I create it. And for example, this one is a neon spiral, and the other one with wigs and angel wigs. It's a cool effect. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how you can get it. We can choose, for example, another photo. I'm going to show you how to do the neon effect, the famous neon effect. Okay, I'm going to stickers, in Spanish is calcomanía. Okay, I'm going to choose, for example, the spiral. So I'm going to do it. Okay, just to adjust this a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, so you have this. You choose the eraser and do this. This is, you have to delete a little bit this. Okay, this one, another one, and the last one, and this. Okay, and this is the effect. You can do it with many photos, many effects. I think it's really nice and special to rank on the Explore page of Instagram with PicsArt. Okay, so we are going to do another one, like the triangle. With it, I choose a photo with the stickers, triangle. Okay. Like this. Okay, we are going to choose this. Okay, something like this. This is a little bit different of the other photo. Es diferente al final. So we are going to open PicsArt, make a lesson. I have a lot of examples of work of people. I get inspiration from this part of the app with the tags. I don't know, maybe family time, sweets, maybe something for fall. So okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to choose one of my pictures from favorites. Okay, like this one. And I'm going to choose, for example, tools. In the tools I have many things like move, cut, clone, just adjust, or just if you want to rotate a photo, for example, like this. You can rotate, do these effects, or this one. Oh, the wall is changing. Okay, so let's get started like this. And I'm going to choose, for example, the dispersion effect. It's really nice and it's really something special. I choose this part of the photo. Okay, I can choose, for example, the size. For example, more size or less size. But I think this one is okay. Okay, just do it. And you can create this effect. It's dispersion. And I think it can be really artistic. For example, you can do this, change the direction. Lovely, these effects with the autumn thing you can put in your photo. This, like this. Okay, and delete it. Or for example, I don't know, maybe flowers. You want to put flowers, different flowers, stars, or a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow. Imagine a beautiful rainbow in another photo in the sky. You can do a photo for Valentine's Day, and you can do many hearts. Okay, I am in love, guys. Okay. You have with this brush, you have many effects. For example, stars, like this, or this pencil in neon. Just let your imagination works and do many things. You can choose, for example, this is very galactic. I really love the first time that I show you this app, I show you with this effect. I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, for example, I choose another photo to show you how to edit, for example, with the brush, with the galactic brush. This is the galactic brush. Okay, here. You can change and do this. For example, the bathroom looks really glamorous, galactic, and really different. You can okay, you can do this zoom effect, okay, to do it better. Okay, it looks really nice. Okay, and these are changing, are being more glamorous. I think it's a good idea. And you can, for example, if you don't like something, you can choose the wrapper, okay, and delete it. And okay, we start again, and this is the beginning again. I think it's a good thing, the wrapper. Don't you think, guys? Guys, I'm going to choose another photo, for example, like this, and I'm going to show you how I edit my photos daily. I'm going to okay, I'm going to discover my secret, my secret filter, artistic. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you, this is magic. This is okay. First, this is my filter, my daily filter. Then I choose this one, like this one. Okay, so as you can see, the picture change a little bit, just a little bit. It's very normal, and you can difuminate it or not. And this is my daily filter. I love, and I use daily PicsArt because I think that is a really useful app to use in my daily life, to Instagram, and to rank and be instafamous, guys. Okay, and the last one, for example, okay, I'm going to show you another effect like this. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you another one thing that is really in tools. It's really useful to choose, for example, change the size of the picture, which is really useful for daily pictures. For example, like 1000. Okay, and you can choose the size. It's really useful. This part is, for me, I think it's really essential. And in the stickers you can find a lot of things. So guys, I recommend you I really recommend you just let your imaginations start, and I don't know, change all your picture. What do you think about this sky? It's really nice. So we can do many things with this app. Many things, many effects, many artistic things that really can change the picture on Instagram, and do that you appear on the explore page. That is really a nice thing to get more followers on Instagram. So this app is essential for me. I'm going to show you my Instagram. Maybe if you want to follow me, guys. Okay, okay. Okay guys, and this is my Instagram account, Amanda Chic Slow Bar Official. I edit my photos with PicsArt, so I get more followers in the last years. So I really recommend you this app. Please follow me if you liked, and stay tuned to the channel, to my YouTube channel, for more PicsArt tips and more things coming. Great things are coming. See you in the next post. A chic kiss.